A dealership success is price, product, and performance. Unlimited RV can bring those things to every deal.
Currently, we're in the process of buying our third RV from Unlimited RV. We have looked at other RV dealers. Unlimited RV has always been able to beat any price.
We have over 30 brands represented on our lot, nearly 300 campers. Our inventory has and continues to evolve and just be very dynamic. We have expanded from a 4-acre lot to over 10 acres full of new and used campers for customers to choose from. That makes us the largest RV dealer in the Midwest.
So you come in, you get a fair price for an incredible product, but the important thing is the service and support after the sale.
Our parts department, our service department, some of the best in the city.
We're small enough to know who you are, but we're large enough to be able to service you after the sale.
We want to be with you through the entire life cycle here at Unlimited RV. So a lifetime warranty is offered on all new campers.
It's valid in every RV service center in the United States and Canada, and it offers that customer such peace of mind and ownership.
We keep coming back to Unlimited RV because they really have anything that you need.